Assalamualaikum Farah. Video kali ni Prophet nak tunjuk macam mana how they keep the masjid clean. You know all this perkarangan luar masjid ni, dia orang buat solat juga Farah, because dia tak muat dalam masjid, so dia akan kita akan solat kat luar ni juga. So this is how they clean the masjid clean. Tengok tu. They first of all they will barricade the area dengan yang tali merah ni. So remember I said just now yang baju biru tu kerja dia cleaner, dia clean. So everyone got their own clothes. Okay, yang tengah tu dia punya bos lah Farah, tengok tu dia tunjuk. Apa tu tak bersih-bersih lagi tu? Okay, tu kotor tu. Dia kata, I don't understand. I think that's what they said in Arabic. And that's why I want you to learn Arabic, ya, so that you will understand what they said. Okay, tengok tu dia buat pusingan. That machine will make a round. Tengah tu macam ada mop. Dia guna mop. Macam bibik lah, tapi bibik ni ada human yang drive. Okay, maybe in future you'll design a big bibik that would work anonymously, digerak sendiri, autonomously untuk bersihkan Masjid Al-Haram. Nak ke Farah? Why don't you design that with your scratch game? Yeah, with your Recabit. Yeah, design your own a cleaning machine. Okay, Farah. Tengok tu. That's dia akan clean. You know why they put a barricade? So that people won't go through the barricade, because it needs to be clean. They'll do this every day, Farah. So the floor is clean. Yeah, they have to do this every day because there's so many people coming in here. Okay, all right. I think kita nak pergi dekat-dekat sikit lah. There's so many people here. Wait. Itu dia tengah bersihkan tu. Alright, I think that's it for now.